Step into modern elegance at Pallas Athena Executive Village, Imus City, a secure, fully completed home ready for move-in. This stunning property sits on a 250 square meters of lot area with 220 square meters of floor area, priced at 19.5 million pesos. Designed for comfort, convenience, and style. On the ground floor, enjoy a spacious living area, formal and service kitchens, dining area, guest room, and a common toilet and bath, perfect for family life and entertaining guests. Upstairs, the master suite features an ensuite, walk-in closet, and private balcony, while 2 additional bedrooms offer their own balconies. An office and common bath complete the second floor, all rooms equipped with built-in cabinets and split-type air conditioning units. Additional modern features include a biometric front door, CCTV security cameras, landscape setback areas, a laundry and drying area, and a state-of-the-art kitchen with built-in oven, induction stove, range hood, and double-door refrigerator. Located along Aguinaldo Highway, this secure gated community offers proximity to schools, hospitals, malls, and transport terminals with easy access to Alabang, Tagaytay, Dasmariñas, and Metro Manila. Experience modern design, comfort, and convenience all in one home. Make this Pallas Athena house your family's next address.